Welcome to my personal organization development and change method. I've named my method Turning Point Truth. Please follow me along this quick journey to discuss how I can make a difference in your organization. Here's an agenda. The quick topics, steps, and a brief overview I'll present in only about 7 short minutes. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Randy Rothenbuhler. Similar to you, not just one label fits my life. I wear many hats. Not only does my work history define who I am, but also my volunteer experience, education, and most importantly, my family. It's important to consider the whole self and what everyone on our team brings with them to the table each and every day. The culmination of all things past, present, and future guide my purpose in life to help others find joy and relief by validating them with the truth. I live this purpose with my individual method. I believe organizations are successful when truth guides decisions made by all the leaders involved in the organization. So what does truth mean? It's seeking reality and developing a relationship between tangible goals and that reality in which we exist. It's an honest assessment of not only what's going wrong, but an acknowledgement of all the good things that are happening. It's not only understanding the what is and what could be, but also recognizing the difference between the two. Finally, capital T truth is seeking a transcendent or spiritual reality. I equate this to reaching self-actualization in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So how do we seek truth? Well, we open the conversation and present a safe environment for thoughts and ideas to be expressed. Tapping into the collective knowledge of our group will gain results far beyond the abilities of any one individual. The creation of Turning Point Truth would use the 6 key design elements: purpose, system, journey, evidence, values, and model. Each will be briefly explained in this presentation. Truth is the prevailing value that guides this method. Additional values that guided the creation of this method are appreciation, connection, and group intelligence, all of which already exist in your organization. We just help utilize it toward a common goal. So what organizations are a good fit for Turning Point Truth? That's a key question of system. We specialize in for-profit companies. We also are a great fit for organizations facing radical change in their industry, sometimes forcing them to consider business alternative methods to stay relevant. New product creation, new lines of business, or perhaps an application of a newly discovered product. Additionally, we seek companies that want to maximize their human potential and have leadership structures that encourage collaboration. Not all the ideas should come from the top. Our method works best with group sizes anywhere from 5 to 500. Our model brings together the collective intelligence of an organization to overcome an obstacle or leverage an opportunity beyond what one person or a team could do on their own. The answer is already embedded within the people of the organization. We simply help release the truth. The journey of Turning Point Truth is conducted in 5 meetings that can be accomplished in as little as 3 months with an aggressive team that works well together, but typically takes 6 to 9 months to fully navigate. First, we start with a day-long intervention with an open invite to all who want to participate. An open dialogue about the past leading to our present situation is the first step in seeking truth. Our conversations will be guided by the will of the group, and participants are free to move from one conversation to the next by exercising the law of 2 feet. Whoever comes, are the right people. Whatever happens is the only thing that could have. Whenever it starts is the right time, and when it's over, it's over. By the end, we will have our first few initiatives to dig deeper into. Our next session will begin by reviewing the initiatives derived from our open space technology. To keep things positive and avoid focusing on negative problems, we will use an appreciative inquiry type of approach. During this session, the focus will be on what's going right. What's the high point of that particular facet being considered? What does this look like if it were perfect? Our third and fourth meetings are closely related to a method called real-time strategic change. Meeting 3 is a planning retreat to process the information gained from the first 2 interventions. This method is used to help formulate the final event that enables people to claim the future they deserve faster than they believed possible. 6 dilemmas are considered together to expedite the ability to reach this future state. Our final meeting of the journey is a feedback loop in search of results. Data delivered prior to this meeting will help the consultants and client gauge the success of the interventions. If applicable, a return on investment is calculated and consideration of additional projects is given at this time. The purpose is to consider why you should pick Turning Point Truth to impact your business. Well, the method is evidence-based, using a unique blend of methods that have already been successfully deployed in thousands of applications. Project management tools are deployed during any action steps to set clear expectations, engagement, and accountability to strategies deployed. Additionally, our team stays engaged with your team. This is not a one-and-done scenario, but a commitment of at least 90 days to see the transformation through. We seek to release the truth that is within your organization. The truth is like a lion. You don't have to defend it. Let it loose. It will defend itself. Great words spoken by St. Augustine. Release your truth. It's time. It's time to release the maximum potential of your organization. Engage with Turning Point Truth to reach a future state of your organization beyond your expectations. The time is now. Thank you for joining me on this quick journey. To seek additional information, I encourage you to contact me at 419-341-9506 or RRothenbuhler@msn.com. For additional information on the methods, research, and additional key pieces that develop Turning Point Truth, please see the next page of references. Thank you for joining me.